To change your Facebook business page name, launch your Facebook. Then tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then you need to switch to your Facebook business page. Just need to click this icon here. So you're going to tap on it. Then you're going to see your Facebook page there. Now switch to it. Then tap on those three lines on your top right corner again. Then scroll down. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then go to page setup. Then you're going to see name. Tap on it. Then you can change the name of this page. And keep in mind that if you change your name of Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you need to keep that in mind. Just tap on review change. So you'll be required to enter your Facebook password. Once you enter your Facebook password, just tap on save changes and then you'll be able to change the Facebook business page name. Now, if you found this useful, do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.